Pink. Purple. What? Itchy?
Here comes next.
Next one. Open teacher. Say open teacher. Say open teacher.
Fries.
Fries? French fries? It's a ladybug. I'm gonna put all the ladybugs, okay? Here you go. Ladybugs. Put all the ladybugs. Go, Hazen. Put the ladybugs. Thank you. Next. Very good. Get one. Ladybug. Next one. Bugs. Ladybugs. Next. What the Hazen? Look at your work. Next. Ano po yun? Go get one. Okay, 9, 10, 12. Very good. Get one. Almost done. And last one. Where is it? Where's the last one? Look. Oh no. Right here. Look here. Oh, be careful. Okay, finish. High five, teacher. High five. High five. Green. Yellow. Blue. Put mo po. Okay. Next. Get one. Okay, get one. Go, Hazen. Put. Next. Go, Ate Hazen. Next one. Put. Put it properly. There you go. Good job. Oh, next, one more. Go get red. Red. One color red. Oh, look. Baliktad. Like this, oh. Next one. Purple. Orange. Green. Very good. Purple. Where? Very good. Red. Good job. Green. Oh, careful po. Okay, let's move it here. Here. Red. Good. Next. Very good. Next one. Nice one, ate. Next. Next one, Hazen. Very good. Next. Last one, last one. Very good. High five. High five, teacher. High five. Okay. Number one. One. Okay, start to go. One. Here. One. Two. Very good. Three. Slowly. Three. Four. Five. Six. This one right here. Look mo. Six. Slide. Next, number seven. Eight. Nine. That's it. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. Very good. 15. 16. 17. 18. Fix it. 18. 19. And very good. 20. There you go. Nice one. Color. Yellow. What's the color yellow? Next. Blue. Oh, look. Where's the color blue? Look. Look, Hazen. Again. Okay, next. Green star. Here, green star. Color green. Next. Green star. Oh, try again. Color green star. Red pentagon. Red. Oh, color red. Look mo mabuti. Where's the color red? Here. Yellow. Green. Blue. Red. Careful. Red. Next, blue. Oh no, try again. Blue. Color blue, this one. Green. Look, where's the color green? Yellow. I Focus on your work. Yellow. Yellow, Ate Hazen. Next. Orange. Orange, look. Red. 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 Blue star. Blue star, blue. Yellow circle. Oh, where is it? Careful. Finish this one first. Yellow circle. Blue triangle. Oh, color blue. Sige, like this, oh. Next, green. Orange. 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 Green. Green. Color green. Look, Ate Hazen, green. Where's the color green? Green. Uh-oh. Again. Green. Orange. Orange. Uh-oh. Orange. Last one, red. Red. Okay, very good. Where is the watermelon? Where's the watermelon? Big watermelon. Push it here. Slide. Watermelon here. Look at this one, oh. Slide green watermelon. Next, how about the orange? Okay, very good. Next, cherry. Cherry. Right here, cherry. Go, Hazen. Here, look. Slide cherry. Okay, next, apples. Apple. Slide mo po, slide. Go, you can do it. There you go. Next, strawberry.
Here's some words.
Go, slide. Strawberry. Again.
Are you ready?
Like this, oh. Look,
Are
oh.
you ready? Go.
Strawberry. Hazen, look. Strawberry. Food. Okay, last one.
No. Are you ready?
Here, purple one.
Okay, go. Yeah.
Slowly. Ay, again. Finish mo muna po. Finish. Oh, slide. Okay, good job. Plum. Is that a plum? Next. Tiger. It's a tiger. Slide. Next. Parrot. How about the parrot? Next one. Parrot. Slide. Oh, yun. Next. Elephant. Good. Slide pa. Yun. Next one. Hippo. Hippo. Purple. Hippo. Like this. Good. Sige, go. Slide mo po. Slide. Next. Lion. Go. Lion. Put. Okay. Next. Zebra. Put the zebra. Slowly. Slide. Next. Alligator. Okay, next one, monkey. Next, giraffe. The last one, giraffe. Hazel, where's the giraffe? Oh no. Oh, do not remove. Slowly. 3. Sige, go. You can do it. 3. Slide more. Yun. Next. 4. Go. You can do it. Slide. Yun. Good job. Number 5. 5. Color pink. Number 5. Number 6. 6. 7. 8. Look. Eyes here. Very sleepy. Number 8. 8. Okay, very good. Next, 9. And last one, number 10. Go, you can do it. Push pa, more. Slide. Number 10. Good job. High five. High five. Next one. You have here, circle. Very good. Another one. Circle. Next, circle. Good job. How about the square? Oh, do not repeat the circle. Square. Get square. Uh-oh, put it properly. Go, Hazen. You can do it. Oh, no. Try again. Okay, help the picture. Okay, next one, the yellow one. Slowly. Okay, next, how about the rectangle? Oh, here, it's here. Rectangle. Very good. Next, rectangle. Sit properly. Oh, try again. Try again. Try again this one. Okay, next, one more. There you go. How about the triangle? Where's the triangle? Put. Try again. Let's fix it. Triangle. Next, one more. Look at your work. Eyes here. Last one. Oh, look at your work. Oh, Ate Hazen. Eyes here. Hazen. Triangle. Look. Where is it? Triangle. Look. Where is it? Right here. Hazen. Eyes here. Ate Hazen. Look mo. The last one. Here. Put the last one in here. Okay, good job. High five. High five like this, oh.